Esta noche ha llegado acá y en tu vida puedes dejar la soledad siempre contigo.
I ran away from heartbreak.
You guys, when I told you guys I have a lot to wash, you think I was joking? I don't even know which one to start with. That's the crazy part. All the jeans I haven't washed for so long. Yeah, now I have time to wash them. Ooh. This is one thing with washing machine, you have to select colors, blah blah blah. Oh. The next video I'll see next month, my eye will open. These two guys are just going to go. Oh my jeez, color. White, no green. Here. Blue. There. Jeans. Jeans. Black. This is green right here. This one here. This one I'll wash you dry white. You know they wash white on gray and all of that. This one. Okay. Blue, black, I'll free wash this one. The black's not in wash. So, you. I need to wash you because this is the one I need to be changed like ASAP. This one I can actually wash with my hand. When I wash, no, I can wash it with the machine because this thing says so. There's something that they say if you want to wash so you don't consume lots of energy, you should wash at night. I'm like, what difference does it make actually? Does it actually make a difference? I don't know. Gray. This one is dark gray. The wash and drying black. Light gray. This one is going to color. Okay, I'll be right back, you guys. So you guys, these are all the clothes I saved for this day. Okay, ask me how for to use hand wash or God of go. These ones are jeans, black and whatever color. One is green. These ones are white and gray. I'm going to wash the white first. So since I'm going to go out in a few minutes, or let's say in an hour, once I put the clothes in the washer, once it's washing, I'm going to go out. I need more. I need one more hanger for the clothes, so I'm going to go get one right now. That's what's up. So let's go to the washroom. That's not the funny part with that one. Let's get to the fun part. Is this how I'm going to be carrying this one up and down? Okay. These whites are not much. I wish there's other color I can add to it. It's just towel and a bit of pillowcase cover, you know. Fear not, let me add that one. You know. These other this thing, you know they wash it, but I never. I can't take that risk. I can't try it. Let me go wash this one. Let me just go put this one inside first. This gray. This gray not bad. Area I want. This one. This one. No go spoil. They know they wash. I don't use hand wash them several times. So I know the ones that won't wash. I know. I don't even get clothes when they wash here. Okay, let's go. Yes, I will get small thing out to the carry soap for nobody for one go wash. But this one is too heavy to be dragging. So let's go to the washroom. I don't know if this thing will still clean though. But let me just wash it. Why not? Okay, I've gotten it. So I put it on steam, extra spülen, that's extra washing, and on 60 degrees. Then it's going to last for 1 hour 42 minutes. So okay, my Amazon package just arrived. These are my hair. I don't know if you, sorry, I don't know if you guys are interested to see this. These are just braiding hair and what's it called, braiding styling gel. Does that make sense? That's basically, and you guys have seen that before. So I'm trying to run out to go do what I want to do, and I will be back soon, you guys, soon. All right, so I saw this bowl, which is this one right here. I'm thinking to get one for Herbert, you know, when the weather is warm, he can always, you know, play in it with water and all of that in the bathroom. But somehow I'm thinking Herbert is too grown for this. I have something similar to this that I have on Amazon. It's very different though, but I don't know. I think Herbert is too grown for this. Yeah. Still going for this. See wall clock. I don't look for wall clock since I want a very huge wall clock like this. Something really, or something like this. Oh, this is 20 €. If I don't take this thing, I might not find it again. They don't have orange, so. They don't have oranges. I don't know what. These watermelons are too expensive. This one is €2 per kilo. If they measure this one, it will be like 5 to 6 kilo, or let's say 3 to 4 kilos. No. 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 One of these ribs and what else? So I want to take one of these. Yeah, these ribs for barbecue. And I need a pack. I need a pack of Alaska fish, and that's it here. These Alaska fishes, you see, €7 plus. You guys, I am back home. I am hungry. I'm trying to make me something to eat because I am hungry. I don't want to be angry. You guys remember? Why do I barely even see? Let's turn this way.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, sense of fits right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.
Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday.
You guys, my food is ready. Look at that crispy or yummy sauce that I made myself, and my baked potato. Look at that. Ooh, it's making me salivate. You guys, if you can tell, you tell how tired I am. I am really tired. I wish I can sleep, but not right now. I can't. So let me show you guys this work of an art. Work of an art, not act. It really looks nice with the other two piece beside it. What do you guys think? I think it does. It does. So by the time, oh, that's so nice. So by the time I bring in the item here, I think it's gonna look nice. Take a minute and admire this mirror. I like the fact that this one right here that I was complaining about matches this one so well. You see that? I didn't know that it has a glass before. I thought maybe it was just that. When I opened it up, I was like, oh wow, it has a glass. So what do you guys think? I have the second batch already washing, which I'm going to go pick up right now. That will be it for today. Then I'll come see if I can edit a vlog. I need to, because I have a lot of vlogs I need to edit, and me keeping them is just, it's gonna get confusing later. So let's go do this and come back. Okay, I still have to wait for 15 minutes. So while we wait for that, let's unbox this one. Like I told you guys, there is nothing special. Nothing special about this box. Same thing like, you know, before. Nothing special. Eh? Why they wrap the hair like this? This one, this thing, 15 euro. This small one, 15 euro. Go for this small thing. Yeah, 15 euro. Even when it don't feel right. Every answer I wrap it in already before, but they've changed. Not bad. Ijo salo boane. Uganene mi waya here yo. What the hell? Four. Yeah, 6. Tomorrow I'm going to start making my hair. Oh, I thought I forgot baskets. Nope, it's here. It's cold and chilly down here. This machine is really good. It washes properly. Like really, really nice. Alright, you guys, so these are the laundries I did today. You see that? Imagine if I was watching this, whether I'm watching, I don't know. Imagine if I was washing these ones with hands. God forbid though. So yeah, that's it. Like the way they are right now, by tomorrow they will all be dried, with or without sun. You understand? May I close window? They're cold. You understand? So that is basically it, you guys. I want to try to concentrate on editing, and I will come back to you guys. I can't start making my hair today. I will just concentrate on this one tomorrow. Okay, see you guys later.